What's up, crew? What's up out there? It's Chad Outdoors. I'm out here riding the brute force, and look what we got back here. My buddy Lenny, new to the ATV world. He picked him up a Can-Am 570, and he's nice enough to let me ride it. So I'll do a review on this as well. But today we're just gonna do some cruising around and show him some trails, let him get used to it. Just gonna give you a side by side, let you see what it looks like. It's nice, clean, green machine right here. Sits up tall, and this is all factory. Comes with some pretty tall tires, decent grips. Got the Rotex, and yeah, we're gonna jump on, go through some kind of easy trails for now, and let me know what you guys think. Twice. There, if you want to float across something, just take the old brute force with some noodles on it. Lots of 60 miles an hour. They seem to walk away, but I'll give you guys. So here we go. I'm gonna let Lenny fire up first. Uh-oh.
Can I do that again?
Hold on. His finger glitched, I think. We're gonna redo it. I might edit this, I don't know. I might have to leave it in there. Okay. Oh yeah. And the brute force. We're gonna cruise some trails. I'm gonna go back at high and go, let me go 15 miles an hour a little, or more. For a sec, I'm gonna do a donut. Oh, there comes the dust.
I'm not there yet.
Yeah, I don't think you're ready for that yet, but
that was impressive. You
yeah.
Try to put all your weight on that front. On the
yeah, the front left tire.
Yeah.
Ready? We'll work on that.
I feel like I'm watching a YouTube video.
Yeah. Want to go that way? Want to go down to this little creek? There it comes. Want to try that? It might be kind of steep for you. Yeah, I don't know if you're ready for that one yet.
I think that kick up at the top is what makes me not ready.
Yeah, the kick up will get you. Like,
Yeah.
the main thing is, you know, keep your speed up. You could probably easily go to the right of it. I'll go ahead and go first. I'll go kind of slow if you can look at it. Just keep your weight up front. Keep your weight up front. Oh yeah.
Cool.
Go back down it.
Huh?
You wanna go down it?
Yeah.
Are you in low or high?
High.
Then go ahead and move to low.
Estimating what high can do.
Like for that, you probably wanted to use low. That's easy. Watch that tree? Yeah.
I totally underestimated what high is for and what low is for.
Oh yeah, are you in low now?
Huh?
You in low now?
No.
You want to lead the way back to the trail?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to switch? All right, I dropped it in neutral. Let's just go back in low, and that throttle is gonna be a little jumpier than yours.
Right.
Man, the power steering on here is nice. Ready? Different. Feel like more I'm sitting on top than I am like in the machine, if that makes sense. Wow, there's some deep ruts here. Look at these ruts. Braking mode, so you can't get too wild. What's that?
What did that?
Jeeps?
Jeeps?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that wasn't before with it.
No, those are deep, huh? I noticed the engine braking too. Like after I let off the throttle, it doesn't slow it down as much as the brute force does. First thing I noticed. Donuts.
Oh, shit. Best thing ever.
Yeah. All right, trade you again. All right, there's a steep hill there. I don't know if you're ready for that one yet. I mean, if you feel like the front end's gonna go up, You just want to just hold the front brake and wait. I'll come help you, but the worst thing to do is go halfway and then stop and then gas it again, because you'll flip back. You'll make that. Just watch me go. I'll go like 15 miles an hour.
Okay.
And watch me and then see what you think. What's that?
Almost. That ledge at the top was like, yeah, maybe not yet.
Yeah, it looks a little scary from down here, huh?
Yeah, maybe not yet.
Yeah, not yet. Baby steps. Yeah. In the cameras, it does never show how steep it really is. Like, it's pretty steep.
Does. Is that hill that you showed me, that you went down out here?
Oh yeah, it's not this, it's on the other side though.
Okay.
Watch this, I'm gonna do one more thing.
Okay.
Watch how I'm gonna come down the hill. Well, that didn't work as good. Had a rock pop me up. I messed up. Oh, sorry about that.
You can literally trust these things.
Man, I hit a rock going up. Freaking hit it hard. It sounded like the shock might have bottomed out, or I bent the rim, but.
What's the air pressure in the tires? Are they kind of wobbly?
9. I got 9 in this.
For the climb?
Yeah. They're supposed to be around that. These are pretty tight. Wow, those are really tight.
Yeah.
You might want to let some out. We can check those. Let me try that one more time.
You want me to record it?
Huh?
You want me to record it from this angle?
If you want to. Look where we made it up to the top of this hill, and this was Lenny's first time riding not on the pavement. I tell you what, did pretty good. He was just asking on a scale of 1 to 5, what do I think as far as skill level we went down, like trail rides, you know. I think like a 2.5 at least. I mean, look, we're on top of this so-called mountain out here in Texas. But we went through some technical stuff. He did good, wouldn't you say?
I think so.
Heck yeah.
I think so.
The only thing we're saying, these tires are so full of air, it's a little bouncy. But definitely 570 Can-Am is good for beginners, no doubt, because it has plenty of power. We didn't even get halfway into the throttle, so when his skill level notches up, he'll be ready to get into the top end of this thing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. We'll have some more surprises coming up. Thanks for watching. See you next one.